belonging to Raman House. I am standing here against books. Television has great educational value. It can be used as a tool for learning both at home as well as in classroom. With the range of channel on offer, there is no dearth of educational content. Science, geography, history, travel, wildlife, sports, healthy nutrients, agriculture. The list will be endless. All it needs to a parent or teacher carefully choose the right type of content that is relevant to the child. Educational value of television increases with its powerful visual effects. It ensures that children's retention is better when they watch, let's say, a documentary on wildlife, than when they pore over similar content in the printed book. Now I am telling television are better than books basis of these following facts. First, watching a varieties of television programs, it makes children aware of society live in and the prevalent standards and norms, but books do not provide such a platform. Second, television educate children about various cultures and customs as compared to more than books. Third, through books we can only know about places, but television we can see that places live in sitting on room and enjoying visiting there free. Fourth, television interviews, general knowledge competition, show on television keep inspiring to students to do something new. While other hand, television promote to rote learning. Fifth, books do only personal development, while television watching with our family, then we develop a strong bond with our family. Basis on above facts, I can say that books are good, but importance of television cannot be underestimated. We get learn lot from television. Thank you. Have a nice day. What a nice speech.
I have to think, do something, do actually, not just sit down and watch an image. Reading book is educational and it enhances your reading skill. Secondly, if I want to go overseas or away, we cannot just pick up TV and bring it along because it's too big and heavy. Books are light or flexible, perfect for traveling or taking away. I prefer reading books to watching TV. They both have some advantage or disadvantage. I like books since I can imagine the story of my own. I am able to invent the protagonist and their appearance. I can make up the space where the story is happening. But that is why books are more enjoyable for reading. However, books have some disadvantages too. I find some books too long and I thought they might be interesting. I can start hardly read them, or sometimes I simply do not read them. Secondly, watching television can be hard, can be bad for our eyes. People nowadays rather watch TV than going for a walk. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Yes, managers, principals, vice principals, respected teachers, my worthy opponent friends, and my lovely brothers and sisters. I am Ritika Yadav from 8th standard, representing from Raman House. I welcome you all in this debate competition. The topic of our today's debate is playing on playground is better than playing on electronic devices, and I am Harbi standing against the motion. Before starting, I want to ask few questions to my opponent friends that how many of you have a playground near your houses? Even if it is, will your parents allow you to go alone? Are your friends free enough to play games with you? Do your parents are able to play games or to keep their eyes on you while you are playing games? Is playing on playground is still safe in the era of pollution? Gone are those days when the availability of land was enough in every village and every town. The atmosphere of that time was so clean and pure. And for now, is it safe for children to roam alone outside without their parents? Now it is safe enough for children to play games in outside of playground. Now I will describe some disadvantages of gaming. While playing on playground, there is a great risk of burnout and injuries for players, which can lead to neglect of physical fitness. It also leads to poor mental health, eating disorders, which can induce a discomfort to players. While playing on playground is still safe enough for children for playing on playground, sports can produce an unhealthy level of stress in a child, particularly a child who is pushed to an excel of sports and he always feels afraid from failure of every loss. Playing too much games unnecessarily, even when you know you have nothing to do in a particular field, then it is a complete wastage of time, and many students are stuck in this kind of activity. Now I will describe some advantages and benefits that we gain from playing on electronic devices. Playing on it improves our sensory skills, concentration power and thinking capability. While some advantages of gaming are, it improves our sensory skills, concentration power, it also increases our eye-to-hand coordination, increases brain activities. Some other advantages of gaming are, we don't need to spend money for buying playground items like bats, ball, etc. And we don't need to spend money for buying expensive play materials. And at last, my dear friends, change is the nature of society and we have to change ourselves by our changing surroundings. With this, thank you for giving me this opportunity and listening me and giving you great attention and time. Thank you everyone for listening. Thank you.
Team judges, honorable guests, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Shreya from class 8 standard. I am from Ashoka House. I am standing here for favor the motion of playing on playground is better than play with electronical devices. So, playing in the playground is better for the health of us compared to play with electronical devices. But the question that comes to mind is, we are turning our childhood into mechanized robots who interact with the interface of screens and just move hope with the press of a button without moving an inch. How involved they are in virtual world that they forget how to interact with the real world. They are cycling, running, riding, football, cricket, hockey are the list of outdoor games is endless. And on the other side, there are many online games like never-ending list of online games on iPad, tablet, phones and laptops. Think for a while yourself. That a real world versus a virtual world. Social media communicating with emoticons and typing acronyms of feelings. It is better to run in the park with your friends, play in playground, share some thoughts and real love. The energy of these two activities differs greatly. One of that is being in a room with a strong Wi-Fi connection and having a feeling of being connected with one of a space. And the other is going on playground, play with your friends, laughter and actually connecting with people. When you are involved in playing game with your friends, you experience more emotions. In today's time, people are more connected to gadgets. It is very important to interact with our family and close friends. Computer games can fill in a lonely slot, so we still live in a real world with real people and real feelings and emotions. Because the growing technology overrules us and refrains the children from interacting to each other and make them mechanical beings. The further investigation. That survey included the measure of video game use causes depression, addiction and conduct problems. And as we already know, that health is wealth. So for what benefit should we use these electronic devices? Not to forget the excellent interaction involved in physical learning. Providing a proper playground is beneficial to keep the children fit and healthy. The school playground equipment in India positively impacts on children's emotional, social, physical and mental growth. And and various other advantages include increased self-esteem, critical thinking skills, and strong immune system. And last, I wanted to say that no matter how fast technological development are taking place, the traditional way of playing cannot be dismissed. And I hope you all are agree with this, because our elders are also playing traditional way in their time, and they are also their life, right? So here my topic was ended, and sincerely thank you so much for your interest and attention. Thank you. Thank you, Shreya, for your
Respected Chief Guest, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers and all my dear brothers and sisters. I am Rupanshi from class 7. I am from Raman House. I am here to share my views on playing in playground is better than playing in electronic device. I am in the favor of this. Today, technology has become an inseparable part of a child's daily life. And it's not surprising to see even a 4-year-old unblock mobile phone, operate apps, play games and hit the right link in the touchscreen gadgets. For children, these gadgets promote an enhanced learning experience and help them to explore their topic of interest. But it is not good in all the ways. It disappears the ability of thinking and understanding. Overall development was important, but the balance of everything is required, which includes their outdoor playtime. The benefits of playing in ground are numerous. It keeps us healthy and fit. It provides us a change from the daily monotony of the life. It is a useful means of entertainment and physical activities. It gives us strength and energy. Playing in ground is better for health. It encourages young children to exercise their body and mind. It engages all the senses and keeps them physically and mentally healthy. It makes us more active. It refreshes the mind and keeps us free from the diseases. From physical games is also very useful for digestion. In this way, it does not only refresh our mind but also improve digestion. Thus, playing in playground have a good value in our life and for better health. Now I will tell you that why I am against in playing electronic devices. The negative effect of playing online games in electronic devices are mainly blamed to the violence they contain. The children who play more violent games are more likely to have aggressive behavior and thoughts, and also for playing so longer time online games will create a negative impact on a child's academic performance. Playing in electronic devices also create an addiction to a children. The children who are addicted to online games are tend to have reduced social skills. They are constantly glued with their screen and show hardly any interest to interacting with their family members. This can lead to social isolation and serious behavioral problems. Playing in electronic devices also cause many health problems like eye strain, stress, headache, poor sleep pattern, obesity and so on. In short, playing in playground is better than playing in electronic devices. The importance of playing in ground are massive and making it a necessary part of a life. It gives you exercise, fresh air and from team games relationship building. No matter what you do, but playing in ground should be the part of your everyday life. So I hope you should play in ground, not in electronic devices. Thank you.
wow.
Principal sir, vice principal sir, respected teachers, and all my lovely brothers and sisters. I am Alisha Khan from class 5th standard. I belong to Vivekanand House. I am here to represent a topic whose title is Books are better than television. But I am in a favor watching television. The appearance of book is thousands of years earlier than the invention of TV, and they did not disappear this year. They are both valuable and they have their own advantages. However, I think reading books is better than watching television. In most way, reading books is alternative. When you are studying on an exact subject. You can choose your book exactly about your subject. You can get quite a lot of useful and expensive information easily in no time. Times the internet cannot even do that. When you want to read a book for relaxing, you can choose your book about your subject. Books and movies are like apples and oranges. They both are, but taste is completely different. Thank you and have a nice day.
Teachers, coordinates, opponents, and all my dear lovely brothers and sisters. Firstly, I welcome to all in this debate competition. My name is Ansika Rai. I am a student of class 9 representing from the Raman House. Today I am stand here to represent my own thoughts on the topic science is superior to art. Before I continue, it will be pleasure to define the term science. Science is a branch of knowledge requiring systematic study and method that deal with substance, life and natural laws. Science has developed many things like life itself is a science starting from the formation of world. Science generates solutions for everyday life and help us to answer in the great mysteries of universe. Science has made possible for man to live in great mansions. Science has made possible for man to enjoy good electricity. Science has made possible for doctors to see symptoms of sickness and attack them with effective drugs. Science has made life so easy because of us by technology, by providing car, motor, aeroplane, ship, train, rocket, etc. Although people have traveled to moon due to aid of science, and they have been able to study climatic changes and tell us when the day was rainy or when the day was sunny. Life is meaningless without aid of science. Our ancestors who live in bush, forests and muddy houses, science came and possible for man to live in great mansions and good houses. With a few points of mine, I believe that I have able to convince that science is much better than art. While science is standard language, anyone contribute to it, he have to speak according to standards. Where in art compromise our practical application of art. An artist can create his own standard to express his imagination. Science is a method which we can use to observe and learn about creation, and people attempt to know the mind of God. Art is a form of expression and science is a form of observation and reasoning. Well, the ending of my topic, I would like to put some words in the front of you. The object of science is knowledge. The object of science is knowledge. The object of art is work. The truth is art to an end, and in science it is only in. Science is beautiful gift of humanity. Science is beautiful gift of humanity. We should not desert it. We should not desert it. Thank you very much for giving your valuable time to listening in it.
You speak of
Good afternoon, Mr. Moderator, panel of judges, accurate timekeeper, co-debaters and my fellow students. I am Manshi Yadav, standing here in front of you to propose the motion which says that science is more important and better than art in this complex and developing society. Before I continue, it will be pleasant to define the term science. Science is the branch of knowledge requiring systematic study of structure and behavior of physical and natural science through experimentation, observation, and testing out all the theories against the evidence obtained. Science shares a prime spot among all the subjects. In middle and high school, like mathematics and history, it's at the forefront of the English of the education conversation. Now, let us know that how science is important and why it is better than art with the help of some points. First, science increases fundamental knowledge. Second, science creates technology. It creates new applications. Science allows us to share ideas. It can help us to understand our world even better. It is important to school students, and learning science has many benefits. Now we will understand the point. Now we will understand that how science increases our fundamental knowledge. Not all the science has an immediate payoff. Some of our science include discoveries of what we call fundamental knowledge. Fundamental knowledge is the knowledge of how our universe functions. It is important. It is important because it is the basis of scientific and it is the basis of complex scientific inventions and applications. If once we proceed this knowledge, we can create right applications that make our life more easier. Imagine a world without X-rays. You would not be able to look at your broken bone on doctor's screen to help heal your injury. All the medical facilities are provided by science. Science creates new technology. Can you imagine your life without your smartphone? Or also, can you imagine your life without electricity? All the things like papers, television, bulb, electricity, even this microphone are the inventions of science. Science creates the technology that is conducive to a healthy and functional human life. For example, self-driving cars. Science creates new applications. Imagine a world without internet. Internet was a huge step and a great tool for scientists to share their experimental data and publish papers. We can take another example like Google. If we want to find any knowledge or information, then we can take help of Google. We nurture all our art knowledge with the help of Google, which is the product of science and technology. Science creates borders. Science is important because it creates borders and transcends the language, therefore bringing together people. It allows us to share ideas in the public forum and enable these ideas in terms to be confirmed. Science allows us to understand our world even better. From explaining gravity and to determining the spherical shape of our Earth, science helps us to comprehend and improve our learning. Science is important in child life as it is the only subject which offers a hands-on experience and speed up the comprehension and improves learning. Learning science has benefits. The scientific method can imitate in real life too. For instance, studying science can help to improve the health in children. At last, I can say that science plays a very vital role in our life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Teachers and coordinator, co-listeners and cooperators. My name is Akanksha Shukla. I am from class 9th and belongs to Ashoka House. And I feel very worthy and great to standing here for represent a topic in the favor of science is superior to art. Science is the study of knowledge about the physical world and natural laws. Science courses have always had higher value and importance in our pragmatic and materialistic culture. Science provides us with an opportunity to study observable truths, process, methods. Why is science very important for us? Science is very important to get fundamental knowledge, to create new things, to create new technology, to understand our earth even better, and it implies to share ideas with each other. Albert Einstein called Galileo the father of modern science. The father of modern science in India is Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose. There are 4 major types of science: social science, physical science, biological science, mathematics and logical science. Do you know where is science came from? Science is originally came from Latin word scientia, which means knowing or knowledge about the experience or expertness. Why is science better than art? In the comparison to the art, science has power to enhance our lives aesthetically. The process of surviving in this planet is science. The process to invent anything is science. The mysterious activity in this universe is science. All things around us science. Science is beautiful, science is fun, science is useful, science is for everyone. Thank you for listening me.